down, lalo dyan. Okay, okay. Ano ba yun? Okay, narinali na kami ko, lady. Second day, sinala dyan. Music please. Okay, everybody, march. March, 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 march. March. Shake your hands. One and shake tummy. One, tummy, and down. Okay, right, down, right, and down and up. Down. March. Let's do it again. Get ready. Higher, shoulder, head and shoulder. Tummy, back, tummy, and down and up. Right, down, right, and down and up. Down. Okay, march, march, everybody. Yay! Very good. Okay, let's sit down, please. Alright, good job, kids. Bibilis pa matala siya ng warm-up natin. Okay! Excited na ba tayo? Mag-pray na ngayon? Excited na ba? Feel excited? Okay, lalo siya. Please go down there, please. Okay, lalo siya. Good job! Okay! Now, kids, our game today is Tag of War! Wow, sila excited na mag-play! Ay, wow, yun lahat na, okay? Bago tayo mag-start, ang kailangan lang natin, kids, ay makinig kay Ate March, okay? Okay ba, makikinig ba tayo? Okay, very good. Now, kids, we have our 3. Anong color ng red natin? Okay, color red. Lalo siya. Ang galing naman nila. Wala lang color. Okay, nakikita niyo ba itong color na to? Okay, ito yung marker natin. Okay, we have a 2 teams. Team A, Kuya Edgy. Team B, Ate D. Wow, okay. Nakikita niyo ba itong flag natin, March? Anong color ito. Okay, dito na yung isa. Dito yung kabila. Okay, good job. Okay, lalo siya. Pakilala muna natin ang mga teams. Okay. Hi, kids! Okay, hi daw sabi ni Lala Chan. Okay, kids, kayo daw ang team A. Okay, Kuya Reggie. Dapat kaano ka, lakas yung boses mo. Ganun ka lakas sa boses nila. Okay, pakinggan nyo kayo sasabihin ni Kuya Reggie. Yun ang gagayahin niya. Okay, Kuya, ito ba? Ayun, ang lakas naman, Lala Chan. Good job, team A. Habang naglalakad ay isigaw yan, syempre hindi magpapatalo. Hi, kids! Ang TV! Okay, ano ba Ate Liwa ang sasabihin na habang naglalakad? Okay, sabay-sabay din. Let's go, Team B! Let's go! Let's go, Team B! Let's go! Okay, Team A, Team B, are you ready? Okay, mag-ready muna sa ating aircraft area. Okay, ang mga kailangan kids ay makinig kay Ate March at kay Kuya Evie at kay Ate Liwa. Okay, mauna muna kami ni Lala Chan. Are you excited? Okay, Team A and Team B, let's go! Lala Chan, come on! Okay, ladies, first thing to remember, no jumping! Okay, future naman ang Team B. Okay. Team A, are you ready to listen? Okay, very good. Team B, are you ready to listen? Okay. Okay, ready naman ka niya, Ate March yung flag. Okay? Okay, ano? Kaya ba? Okay, ano? Guardians na tusunod? Alright. Hold on. Hold on muna. Hold muna. Bibigyan sa ka. Dito, hold now first. Hold. Ready, right? Okay, ready to listen? Ay, siguro ako mapaliit. Okay! Team A, Team B, are you ready? Alright, let's play tempo round. In round 2, around 1 3, 2, 1, go! Very good job! Okay, right now, bago kayo mag-celebrate Team A, Chan. Hindi pa Lala Chan. Okay, Team A. Bigyan na naman natin ang top flap at Team B. Are you ready? Ready na tayo? Let's get them up. Good job. Okay, Lala Chan, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, good job! Yeah! Kapaka natin ang ating sarili. Yeah! Come on, Lala Chan. Now, kids, babalik na tayo ng ating event area. One night again. Mauna ko na kami ni Lala Chan. Susunod natin Team B and Team A. Let's go! Alright, kids, we are now going back on our event team. Ayan, Lala Chan, we are going back on our event area with the kids. Team A and Team B, pasok tayo ulit. Okay, hands up. Hands up tayo, hands up. Okay, hands up, hands up. Hands tayo, okay. Very good. Side one. Okay, everybody, side one, please. Side one. Hands up. Down. Okay, hands up. Side. Down. Good job. Yes, Lala Chan. Ayun talaga, Lala Chan. Gusto mo ba talaga? Okay, kids. Ang dahil nag-enjoy na si Lala Chan sa ating kids. Sasayaw daw tayo ng favorite dance niya. Love is a treasure. Kasama kayo. Okay, are you ready? Ready na tayo? Okay, ready na kami, Kuya Gino, Lala Chan? Alright, let's do it. Love is a treasure together. Lala Chan, hands up. And down. Let's dance. Everybody jump. Everybody say hooray! Very good job, your hands! Anong gagaling nyo? Okay, now kids, tutunan na tayo. Yes, ito na sila Lala Chan. At nandito na ang surprise gift box ni Lala Chan. Wow! Sino ba excited? Okay, sino ba excited? Kasama tayo. Wow, naman na kasi Lala Chan ay excited. Okay, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Din sabi ni Lala Chan, kagagalan natin i-open ang gift. Gusto niyo na kayo makita? Naka-smile. Smile muna, sabi ni Lala Chan. Ayun, kumawag. Okay, close your eyes. Cover your eyes, sabi ni Lala Chan. Sabay tayo magbibilang na hanggang 3 at isisigaw natin ang open para makita ang surprise. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, say open! Ay, Lala Chan, isa sa mga sabay-sabay tayo sa salita ng open. One, hanggang play. Okay, malakas sa open. One, two, three. Malakas. Okay, sit down. Sit down muna. Hindi tayo mamili ng pag nakatayo po kayo. Okay? Sit down muna, sabi nila. Ayan. Bakit open? Okay. Sino na umalis? Okay, wag mo na umalis kasi nag-picture kasama si Lana dyan. Okay, sino ba wala? Okay, kung mga kamera-kamera dyan, please sipay na lang tayo. Yung mga gadgets po nila na invited out to si Rola Center para po mag-picture kasama ang mga kids nyo. Alright, kids. When everyone say, Kizuna! Ayan ang kapati ba nyo na? Okay, taas mo na yung balloons. Taas mo na. Ayan ang chikat. Okay, sit down muna po. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Okay, when everyone say, Kizuna! Everybody will say, hooray! Okay, let's practice muna. 1, 2, 3, Kizuna! Ayan ang masa natin na kasama rin ni Lala dyan, okay? Guys, ready na po ang camera natin. In 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Smile! Okay, nasa yung balloons natin, kids. Ayan, Lala dyan, dito ka na sa unahan, Lala dyan. Ayan, nasa yung balloons natin. Okay, walang matanong. Ang meron pa sasabihin si Lala dyan. Okay, yes, Lala dyan. Ayun nga, talaga lang ba si Lala dyan? Okay, kids, sabi ni Lala dyan. Sino na sa iyo gusto mag-birthday party dito? Sino gusto mo? Ayun nga, sabi ko lahat na talaga gusto ko. O, paano yan, Lala dyan? That's it, that's it, so, okay? Get out with the parents. Kizuna Restaurant is open for a birthday party reservation. For paying during Siri as our friend staff and we will very, very happy to assist you. At makakasama po natin dyan si Lala Chan. Exactly on the birthday of your kids. Di ba, Lala Chan? Yay! Okay, yes, Lala Chan, ano pa ka? Ayan, sabi daw ni Lala Chan, thank you so much, guys, for participating today. And hoping na video mo kayo kasama si Lala Chan ni Lala. Ayan, especially with the kids. Alright, kids, it's time to say goodbye to Lala Chan. Bye, Lala Chan, but don't worry. She will come back again tomorrow. Okay, so say goodbye, Lala. Bye-bye. Sa lahat na gusto mag-picture kasama si Lala Chan, you can